How did Warren Buffett earn his money? Warren Edward Buffett is the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway and is in the list of top 5 most richest people in the world. He has been nicknamed as Oracle of Omaha for his successful predictions of the stock market. In today's video, we are going to discuss who is Warren Buffett and how did he get so rich. Number 1. Childhood struggle. As a child, Warren went door to door selling bottles of Coca-Cola as a way to add something to his monthly allowance. He made his first investment at the age of 11 years old, when he first bought 3 shares of City Service Preferred, with per share being of $38 and sold them immediately when the share rose to $40. He earned a small profit of it. But his joy was short-lived as the shares soon rose to $200. According to Warren himself, he later regretted his decision, but this setback acted as a stepping stone in his professional career. In his young teenage years, Warren Buffett started working as paperboy, selling magazines, newspapers and calendars. Because of this, he was successful in making up to $2,000 at the age of just 15 years, and this is where we get to see the greatness of Warren Buffett, as he invested more than half of his $2,000 into a 40-acre farmland and had signed a profit-sharing agreement with the local farmers of the land. In his late teenage years, probably when he was 17 years old, Buffett started a business with one of his friends. He purchased a pinball machine for $25 and placed it in a local barber's shop. After some months, they had several machines in different barbershops all across Omaha, and this used to get them $25 every week. Later, they sold this business to a war veteran for $1,200. Number 2. A born entrepreneur. From the very beginning, Warren had a liking of entrepreneurship. That's why, after failing to get into Harvard University, Warren Buffett wrote a letter to David Dodd, the co-author of the book, Security Analysis. He asked to let him study and practice business under him and Ben Graham, the 2 famous investors. He later learned stock analysis. Warren Buffett then started studying value investing from Benjamin Graham at Columbia Business School. Value investing is the study of having fundamental research to identify cheap stocks. Number 3. Life after graduation. He graduated with a degree of Master of Science in Economics in 1951, and then in the following year, he returned to his hometown and started working as a registered investment advisor. He later on took the Dale Carnegie public speaking course, which proved to be quite beneficial in his professional career. He further started teaching night classes at the University of Nebraska, and then after a couple of years, Warren shifted to New York City, where he assisted and worked for his former teacher Benjamin Graham. This certainly helped him grab a great amount of experience in the field of business. Warren didn't hesitate in grabbing every possible opportunity. This surely matured his way of thinking and helped him become a business tycoon that he is now. Number 4. Business partnerships. By the time of 1956, Warren Buffett had accumulated wealth up to $74,000. He then settled down in his hometown city of Omaha in Nebraska. There he spent most of his time as a securities analyst and investment salesman. In the same year, he started Buffett Partnership with his close friends. There he asked one of his friends who was a doctor to find 10 more doctors who were willing to invest $10,000 each. He himself invested only $10, but later reinvested management fees and grew his stake in the partnership. After almost half a decade, Warren Buffett had opened up 7 other partnerships and had 9.5% stake in over $1 million of partnership assets. Number 5. Richest man on earth. Rule number 1. Don't lose money. Rule number 2. Never forget. Rule number 1. Warren Edward Buffett. In 2008, at the age of 78 years, Warren Buffett became the world's richest man alive on earth. He became so influential that rookie investors were simply in awe of him. He has such an impact over the business industry that investors usually follow his verdict before investing in a firm. In the past, we have seen him predicting that which companies will face downfall and which will earn a decent amount of profit in the industry. In his prime, Warren Buffett predicted the ups and downs of the stock market. While addressing the investors about the current situation of the market, he said, "Try not to worry too much about it. I would personally tell the investors not to watch the market too closely." That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching it till the end. We hope you would like it. If you know more amazing facts about Warren Edward Buffett, then make sure to comment them down. We would be more than pleased to read them.